Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for the Libman replacement head, then I would highly recommend getting this one from TETEPV. This has been great on my existing handle mop. These work really well, they clean really well. The plastic has held up, and I also love that it has this thick microfiber that captures all of the dirt. I also really like that they're easy to put in the washing machine and I hang to dry. I've had no issues with this and it cleans really well. So if you're looking for replacement heads, then this is a great brand to go to for those. These are really durable. They even have the microfiber on the inside here that also helps with cleaning and scrubbing. I use these all the time in my house. I'm constantly needing extras, which is why I got these, because the two that I have just weren't enough for the amount that, we all clean our floors. But that's just my point of view.